Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet corn in can. Sterilize jars and lids before you begin to preserve quality and safety. I'll walk you through blanching corn, making a simple syrup, packing jars hot, and processing in a boiling water bath. This method keeps kernels tender and sweet without additives and is simple enough for a first-timer who wants reliable, shelf-stable results. Start by shucking corn and removing all silk, then cut kernels cleanly off the cob into a bowl. Blanch the kernels for 3 minutes and immediately cool them in ice water to stop cooking and preserve color. Meanwhile, heat your syrup or salted water so jars go in hot. This sequence keeps texture and concentrates natural sweetness without overcooking before canning. Pack hot corn into sterilized jars, gently tamping to remove air pockets while preserving kernel shape. Pour in boiling syrup or salted water leaving 1-inch headspace, wipe rims clean, then apply lids and bands finger tight. Process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time based on your jar size to ensure a safe vacuum seal and good shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.